Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Ghast from the new Minecraft movie. Now, if you guys would like to see more fun characters from the movie, definitely let me know because I would love to know what you guys want me to draw. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now, to start off with our Minecraft movie Ghast, let's begin right here with the eyes. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's just going to go down, and then I'm going to kind of curve it up and down like this, kind of like a really stretched out wavy S. Next, I'm going to leave some space, and I'm going to do that same thing, just kind of go down, and then curve it up and down. Now, to start the eye, let's bring a line down, and we'll do that same thing on this side. Bring a little line down. Then I'm going to bring a line across here, and then I'm also going to do that same thing, just a line across for the bottom of the eye. Next, we're going to curve this line down, and we'll curve this line down. Then I'm just going to make a little line here, and then a little line here inside the eyes. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come up and down. And we'll do that same thing here. Let's just go up and then down, kind of like the eyebrow area of our Ghast. And then I'll put two small lines in here for some detail. Now, to make the mouth, let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. Then we're just going to curve it over to here. You see, it kind of went up with that curve. Then starting in here, let's just bring this line up to here. And you can see that I didn't line it up with these two marks. I kind of started here and left that space. Next, for like the mouth part or like the lip, let's draw a line that's just going to go down and up. Now, starting here, let's draw a little line that's going to come out. And then we'll make a little line that comes out right here. We're going to draw this line up to about here. And we'll do that same thing. Bring this line up. Then we're just going to come across here. Then we'll make a little diagonal line down. And a little diagonal line up. Next, we'll just bring this line down to connect it. Now, let's make those long kind of tentacles that come down. So I'm going to start right here in the middle. Let's begin by drawing a line that goes down. We'll kind of go over and then bring it up. We'll come up at an angle and bring this up to here. Let's do another one. I'm going to curve this line down. And I'll bring it right over to the other leg. And then starting up here, not down here, but starting up here, let's just kind of curve it back. And let's do another one that kind of curves back. We'll do one here. We'll kind of come down. We'll go over and then up. Make a little angle and then bring this up. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this one down and then go right to here. Then I'm going to bring this up at an angle and connect it. Then I'm going to do one here. We're going to kind of come over and then up, make it really skinny. We'll connect it to here, and then we'll leave a little space right there. And then there would be one more leg, but we're going to kind of keep that one hidden right now. Next, I'm going to add some detail. So I'm going to put like a couple little lines on here. And then we're going to make those long lines that kind of come down the face. So we're just going to make some long little lines, different sizes. that come right underneath the eyes. Then I like to come in here and make some like small little broken lines kind of right along the legs. Even like along the sides of the face. And across top of the head, just to give it a little bit of detail. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Minecraft movie Ghast. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.